Ultamize. If your phone is always within reach, you will use it. Not because you decided to, because it's there, visible, easy, available. And that's the real driver of behavior. Not motivation, not discipline, but environment. What you see, what you hear, what's close, what's easy. That determines what you do all day long. So instead of trying to control yourself, you control your environment, and your environment starts controlling your behavior in your favor. Action step number one, make your phone invisible right now, today. Pick one place where you spend time, your desk, your couch, your dining table, and remove your phone from sight, not just out of your hand, out of sight. Put it behind you, in a drawer, in another room, because visibility drives behavior. If you see it, you'll think about it. If you think about it, you'll check it. If you don't see it, the urge drops dramatically. Action step number two, create distance zones. You don't need to quit your phone. I'm not asking you to give up your phone. I still have a phone. You just need to create distance. Choose 2 to 3 places where your phone does not go: the dining table, the bedroom, the bathroom, your work desk. Now you've created friction. Not extreme, just enough. Now, if you want your phone, you have to move, stand up, walk, decide. That small amount of effort breaks automatic behavior. Action step number three, use visual interrupters. You need reminders, not once, but daily. Place visual cues where the habit happens. For example, a sticky note on your desk, look up, a note near your charger, you control the device, a lock screen manager. Why am I picking this up? These are not decorations, they're signals. And signals change behavior because they interrupt the pattern at the exact moment it starts. Action step number four, change your default position. Where is your phone most of the day? In your hand, in your pocket, next to you? Change that. Default position away from you, not touching you, not within arm's reach. Make not holding your phone the normal state and using your phone the exception. Action step number five, control the first and last minutes of your day. This is really crucial. If you do nothing else, please focus on this. This is where environment matters most. Morning and night. If your phone is next to your bed, I'm sorry, it doesn't matter how much discipline you have, you'll check it. If it's the first thing you see, it sets the tone. So change the setup. At night, phone stays out of reach, not next to your pillow, preferably not even in your bedroom. In the morning, don't touch it immediately. Give yourself a few minutes before checking. Even 5 minutes changes the pattern. Now, here's the big idea. You don't rise to your intentions. You fall to your environment. So if your environment is designed for distraction, you will be distracted. If your environment is designed for control, you'll have control. And this is where most people fail. They try to control their behavior without changing environment. It's like trying to stay dry while standing in the rain. So stop relying on discipline. Start designing your surroundings. Make the right behavior easier. Make the wrong behavior harder. And then let the system do the work. Because once your environment's working for you, you don't need to fight yourself all day long.